Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Today we are going to do a household empties. I want to do this item first because no, it is not Dollar Tree, but I did find this at the Dollar General and it is from a while back. But I got this Mr. Clean Gain Appleberry Twist scent, and basically this is a multi-purpose cleaner. You put some in a bottle, you put some in your mop bucket, you dilute it a little bit with water, and then you use it. This lasted forever. It was 48 fluid ounces, and the scent is amazing on this. It makes my house smell so good. I love this, and I have a little bit left in my spray bottle, and I'm going to purchase more of that. So like, that stuff smells so good and the cleaner works great. So moving on to Dollar Tree now, I have some Sunbeam light bulbs actually that I want to share with you guys. These are the halogen energy saving. There's two soft white 60-watt bulbs in here. These worked fantastic for what I needed them for. I believe I put them in the kitchen actually. So 2 bulbs for $1. Honestly, you can't beat it, and they're still working. And that's been months now. Another item I found at the Dollar Tree are the Sunbeam decor globes, and I have 3 globe lights in my bathroom. So we have like a vanity kind of mirror set up with the 3 lights above it, so vanity style. 2 of the lights blue. So I was gonna pick them up at Walmart, and I'm so glad that I didn't because they're like $3 or so a piece at Walmart. And the only downside is they're actually clear, the ones that I was gonna pick up at Walmart, but these are white, but you get 1 bulb for $1. And honestly, like, once again, you cannot beat that. They look fantastic in the bathroom. It's a fantastic deal. I have a 140 count paper towels. These are the custom cuts. I love these. If I can find these in 140 count, I will buy them all day long. And I typically will buy any paper towel there, mainly the custom sizes though. And their paper towels are good. They absorb, they do a good job at cleaning. I mean, yeah, they rip a little easy and they leave little linties behind sometimes when you're cleaning something. But honestly, for $1, 140 sheets. Share the toilet paper. This is the 2-ply strong and soft bath tissue. And you get 240 sheets per row now. It used to be 275 sheets. Still a good deal though, 240 sheets per row, and I often buy this toilet paper. I think it is just as good as name brand, and it is not super linty or fuzzy, and I really like that. It isn't abrasive on the skin in my opinion. I do like this toilet paper. Do recommend it if you're on a budget. Straws from the Dollar Tree. There's 180 in here. That is a lot of straws for $1. For $1, honestly, you can't beat a lot of these products. They work fantastic. They get the job done. You get malt, like more than enough, okay? And they are not like, they're not super flimsy straws, but they're not like the strongest either. They are the flexible with the neck. They came in different colors. And I have 2 of the Good Scent handle kitchen bags. I love these. They're the vanilla scent ones, 10 for $1. These don't rip easily. They stretch nicely. They have the handles as versus the other brands. Some of them that they have, the ties just kind of rip right out of the bag. The handles are not like that. These are good, sturdy bags, and you get 10 for $1. Absolutely love these bags. Another item I really love is the Good Sense zipper seals, and these are the quart size, and they are freezer / storage bags. So in my house, they do a double purpose. So I use them to store like sandwich meats and things like that. I also use them to divide meats and put them in the freezer. For portions. So I love these. Now I think you used to get 18 bags actually. Now you get 15. Still a good deal though, because they're really good bags. A really nice zipper on them. I have never had an issue with these. I've been buying these for years as well. Foil here, it's the 40 square feet. I literally just use this to line pans with. My main issue with this is sometimes the well, it's thin, it rips easily. Okay, but still, 40 square feet for $1, you really can't beat that. And when you go to tear some off, it's difficult to really start the row off because of the adhesive they use to seal the aluminum sheet together, like the roll together, if that makes any sense. So it's difficult to get that kind of started without ripping your whole row up. And then as you go on, sometimes it will cause a little fracture tears in your roll, and then that can lead to problems with it. Still, I don't have a ton of issues with it. I mean, there's been a few like that, and you know, they happen sometimes, but they don't happen all the time. So that's why I continue to purchase this. They don't happen all the time. I do recommend this, but only if you're lining pans, basically doing simpleton stuff like that. Otherwise, I would not recommend this for grilling, making packets to cook potatoes, or anything like that, just because it's so thin. Another cooking item that I really love is the parchment paper. This is the non-stick oven safe parchment paper. 25 square feet for $1. Now come on, you guys, you cannot get this for $1 anywhere else. And you can use this in your microwave, freezer, candy making, baking. That's what I use it for. It usually lasts me quite a long time, forever. So I like that parchment paper. Another garbage bag item I have here is these home essentials small petite garbage bags. There's 40 bags in here. They're only 4 gallon. They're lavender scented. Honestly, you can smell the lavender scent, but it's not overwhelming and it doesn't really linger. I just mainly like these purple bags because my bathroom is done completely in purple, and they go with my purple bathroom. Now from time to time I do get the pink ones. Sometimes I make it yellow. I love that they come in fun colors. The downside to these though, they're very thin and they will rip easily. So don't overfill them, put anything sharp in them, things like that, because you will be cleaning up a nasty mess. So yes, love these though for a decor bag in the bathroom now. We're almost done. So I have the Palmolive Soft Touch Almond Milk and Blueberry set. I think I had 2 of these and tossed one of them out, just saved one. But love the scent, favorite scent of all time. You get 10 ounces for $1. This is the only place I can find this. You know, soft on your hands. The scent's amazing. This cuts grease so quickly and suds like so well, and the suds last the entire dishwashing process. Another repurchase for me are the Scrub Buddies Wet Sweeper Cloth Refill. I use these on all my floors to mop with, and I love them. They are really wet. They are 10-inch by 8-inch wet mop pads, and you can use these. You get 10 in here. If you can find the bonus pack, you'll get 10. Typically, you'll get 8 though. They do have the quilted texture. I love these so much. These are awesome. They're so saturated, and I like using them with my Mr. Clean Gain, and they work great. A couple more cleaning items. I do have 2 of the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. I have lemon and fresh scent. I don't care really what scent these are in. The only scent that I prefer most is that I use the lavender one in the bathroom. That's just, I guess because I have a purple bathroom and just everything needs to be purple. No, I don't know, but I just prefer that one. But in the kitchen, I typically will pick up either one of these. I probably would prefer the lemon, but it doesn't really have a huge or nice throw. The fresh scent is better in my opinion with scent. These kill 99.9% of bacteria in 15 seconds. They kill E. coli, salmonella, and yeah, you literally just disinfect with these. I wipe down countertops. I clean up quick messes, like if, you know, Connor spills milk or anything like that, I'll use these to clean up the floor. I mean, just quick messes in the kitchen, quick wipe downs, not deep clean. I mean, you can use these obviously to deep clean too, but mainly I use these for like quick wipe up messes and quick cleaning the counter up while preparing foods and things like that as I cook and go along. And then later, after I do the dishes, I will then do the deep clean after dishes and stuff. So this one here has 35 wipes, and then I kind of wonder, this one has 24, so at some point they downgraded sizes in these as well. They're nice. They're a thicker wipe. They are kind of small. They have they're kind of like a mesh-ish wipe. That makes sense, like a mesh, like quilty kind of wipe. And yeah, these are keep out of the reach of children also, you guys. So they kill cold and flu virus as well. These are amazing. Highly recommend these. I would not overpay for disinfecting wipes because these work just as good at a fraction of the price. The LA Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener, 32 loads. This is in the fresh scent, 64 fluid ounces for $1. You cannot beat this. I use this with the scent booster and DollarTree fabric sheets, and my laundry comes out clean. It smells nice and fresh. The scent booster really helps boost the scent of the laundry detergent and itself, and the laundry just smells so divine. You do not have to overpay to have clean clothes and nice smelling lingering clothes or a scent on your clothes either, on your fabrics. Really does work, and paired with the scent booster, they work wonderful together, and I really love this. I love it. Highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. And I will say I do not get 32 loads out of this. I typically do large loads, so you need 2 capfuls anyways. I literally will get, I don't know, probably 12 to 15 loads out of this bottle, and sometimes I might use 2.5 cupfuls, just depending on what's in the wash. Like if my husband has some super dirty clothes or something, they've been working on the car, you know, working in general, things like that. Yeah, you may need some more suds. Overall, 12 to 15 loads out of one of these is not bad for $1. Hope you guys enjoyed this Empties video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.